Hello crypto fam, let's dive straight into the Rainbow Wallet $RNBW airdrop. Super simple guide on distribution and how to claim. We'll keep this fast so you can act right away and feel like you're ahead of the game. What's Rainbow? It's a user-friendly Ethereum wallet for swaps and bridging. They're airdropping 15% of total supply to active users, potential value between $300 to $600 million. Key date, Snapshot happened January 26th. If you used Rainbow before then, you might qualify. Distribution February 5th. That's when the TGE drops and claims open in the mobile app. How to claim. Step 1. Update your Rainbow app now, both mobile and extension versions. Step 2. On February 5th, open the app with ETH ready for gas fees and claim if you're eligible. Important, you can't farm this anymore. Snapshot's already done. Still want in? Join their Uniswap auction. Pay bids happening today. Main auction runs February 3rd to 5th. Starting price 10 cents per token in USDC. Warning, watch for scams. Only use official Rainbow sites. Bye guys, hope you gained a better understanding.